I think the older they get, the lazier they get. Watch a dog that's a year old and watch one that's 12 years old. You watch the way that they go through their day, right?
Yeah.
That one's 1 years old. You can't keep up with him. Well, then take that 12-year-old for a walk and watch how slow he is, watch how much he lays on the porch. He's bedded a lot, and white-tailed deer the same way. You take a deer that's 5, 6, 7 years old, he's going to be pretty lazy and not move around as much. And I think conversely, then that home range just shortens up a little bit, and they're more worried about living and eating than they are breeding.
Yeah.
I think deer probably peaks out physically at age 3.5. If I had to put my finger on it, either 3.5 or 4.5, those are the 2 years that they're very active in putting on a lot of miles.